Hello everyone, just out and about, and I saw a road closed sign, and I thought I would check it out, and lo and behold, the bridge is closed. So let's check it out, shall we? Well, I walked over here, and I see why it's closed. Yeah, gigantic holes in the deck. That is not good. Let's meander down here. And see what we can see down here. I'm gonna guess with the construction of those beams, that's probably from the original bridge, or one of the previous bridges that was here. That was done probably in the 50s or 60s. But we'll look under here. We won't go under. You can see where those sandbags have fallen through. You see where the concrete stringers are eroding. And you can see where the concrete stringers are eroding over there. Alright, so this bridge, this is an emergency closure. It will probably be replaced very soon. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys and it helps my channel a lot. I will see you later.